In today's video, I'm going to teach you about Shopify Metaobjects, what they are, and the different ways you can use them. If you're managing an online store and want to enhance the way you store and display information, understanding Metaobjects could be a game changer for you. Metaobjects are essentially a tool that lets you add and store additional structured information for your store. Think of it as a way to expand the data you provide about your products. For instance, if you want to store and display more detailed information like product features, specifications, or even a size chart, Metaobjects become incredibly useful. They enable you to present information in a more organized and accessible way, which can be very appealing to your customers who are playing the role of informed decision makers. To create these Metaobjects, you'll want to start by going to the Shopify admin interface. When you're there, look for the Settings button located at the bottom left of your screen. Click on it, and a menu will open. From this menu, you'll want to select the option that says Meta Fields and Metaobjects. This section is going to be your go-to place for managing these structured data elements. Scroll all the way to the bottom of this section, and you'll see an option for Add Definition under the Metaobjects section. This is where you can begin to create your new Metaobject. Click on Add Definition to initiate the process. Now, let's dive into creating your Metaobject definition. You'll want to start by entering a name for the Metaobject. This should be something descriptive so that you can easily identify it later. Think of it as giving a title to a folder that will contain detailed information. After the name, provide a description of this Metaobject. This is a good practice to remind yourself of the purpose and content of the information you're about to define. Next, choose the type and fields you'll want this Metaobject to include. The fields are essentially the placeholders for the data you'll be adding, such as text, dates, or numbers. Choose fields that align with the structured information you're planning to store, like features or sizes. Once you've set everything up, go ahead and click Save. That's all there is to creating a Metaobject. Congratulations! You've now got a new tool to enhance how you present product details on your Shopify store. Using these Metaobjects offers you the flexibility to create a more engaging storefront and provides your customers with richer and more helpful information. This not only improves the shopping experience, but can also boost your overall store performance. It's incredible how a little extra detail can go a long way in building trust and enhancing customer satisfaction. That's the ins and outs of Metaobjects. Give them a try on your store and see how they can make a difference. Thanks for watching.